the inertia. Item 1, Dakantu.
Item 1.
Mr. A. Misra, on behalf of S.S. Rao for the petitioner. For the other side, state is not a party. No. You kindly take your seat.
Yes.
Opposite party blank chhad debe. ऐसे तो आपके notice बोल देही नहीं था. The press matter. The learned counsel for the it is submitted on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner that despite his efforts, he has not been able to locate the brief, locate his case brief, and the matter may be adjourned. To grant further opportunity, list when moved up. Data कौन लगा तो day period. According to the matter is adjourned कर दिया. According to the matter is adjourned. List when moved से तो देबे.
Item 2.
Mr. S.K. Gowda. S.K. Gowda on behalf of Manas Chand for the petitioner. State.
Yes.
Mr. A.K. Nanda, AGA for the state. And Learned Law, the adjournment is sought for on behalf of the Learned Counsel for the petitioner as accordingly the matter is adjourned.
Item 3. My lord, the matter has become infructuous, my lord.
Kindly file the memo.
My lord.
Mr. S.K. Gondayak.
My lord.
Mr. S.K. Gondayak for the petitioner. Mr. A.K. Nanda for the opposite party. It is submitted by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner that by influx of time, the matter has been rendered infructuous. Para. The Learned EGA submits that considering the nature of pair, nothing survives for adjudication before this court. Accordingly, the matter stands disposed of. Memo of date, they don't. But the currency didn't. Memo of date is taken on record. The matter, the petition stands disposed of. As disposed of though. Mr. Japrola, item 4.
Item 4.
Offense under section 395.
Why more listed before me? Or reason?
No. All three accused similarly situated have been granted bail by your lordship. One is first bail is before your lordship.
Okay, got it. Mr. Nanda, you have the records of the earlier matter?
No, yes.
Order copy is there.
Yes.
May I supply the other?
Just a second. Let me start dictating. First para likhle bail law. The petition under section so and so has been filed for release of the petitioner who is in jail custody. So and so pura likhle. Para 2 likhive. Since in the connected BLAPL, that is BLAPL number. Since in the connected BLAPL number 9474 of 2023, filed by another accused.
There are other two matters also. May I provide that?
Yes, please. Yes.
BLAPL number 14515.
Earliest order ta fast likhive. Earliest order, Mr. Nanda?
My lord, one more is 14515.
Order ta?
Sir, order is 12/1/2024 ଆପଣଙ୍କ order sir.
Your case ଟା sir that is your
ठीक ଅଛି.
ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ 8/4
was disposed of by this bench by order dated 20/12/23. Mr. Nanda?
That is my lord 14515/2023 disposed of on 12/1/2024 granting bail and one more also.
Order copy ta dei debe tik.
And one more is my lord is BLAPL number 2284 of 2024 disposed of on 8/4/2024.
Tinta rahela. The matter has been placed before this bench in terms of the standing order number 2 dated so and so. Para. It is submitted by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner is in custody since?
Is remanded in custody since
8/7/23.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏ ଅଛି 17/7/2023.
17/7/2023. In the meanwhile, the final prosecution report has been submitted on
3/11.
भूल से ढाई 3/11/2023. Rest conditions share है एज कितने?
एज होची 20.
19 years से 20 चेंज होगा. Two sureties, one family member.
Fine.
Please don't argue on that condition.
No.
The condition saman rahibo. And Mr. Nanda, you also, because I have been told that in some matters they are violating. Apprehension rather,
Yes.
not violating. So you have to educate the police to file cancellation petition, because the cancellation is a precondition imposed as a bail
May I
condition.
request my lord may mention that violation?
I haven't mentioned.
Yes.
I have been mentioning.
Yes. Violation of condition enter
Yes.
cancellation of bail.
The last day, Mr. Sharma was telling that 20 this antecedents, but you file the cancellation. Go to the cancel home. Let them test it. Because the lower court will unable to grant bail because of this condition.
Yes.
Yes. Next.
Item 5.
5 ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ 5 ଟା pass over କରିଦେବା, ଦିଟା ବେଳେ କରିଦେବା. Mr. Nanda, so today we should pass over or we'll
We can adjourn it.
Okay. None appeals for the petitioner none, Mrs. Suman Patnaik AGA for the state. None appeals for the petitioner when the matter is called. In view of the standing order number 2 since the earlier BLAPL 7082 of 2023 was disposed of by this bench by order dated 9/11/2020. The matter has been placed before this bench. To grant further non-appeals upper lecture, to grant further opportunity, list when this bench sit next. 19 ना 26 के Mrs. Patnaik?
26.
26 oblique when this bench sits next.
Item 6.
दास महापात्र से विजय दास महापात्र थे. Petitioner none, opposite party state अच्छी.
No, your lordship.
अपन बाहर कॉपी अच्छी.
No, your lordship. So there is some
से 125 की कौन है तो से infructuous age होनी. That's not.
defect is there.
DV maintenance. Non-petitioner none, opposite party blank. None appeals for the petitioner when the matter is called. The stamp reporter has pointed certain defects. List after removal of the defects. Yes.
7.
7, your lordship, the apple may in person.
In person. None appears to petitioner लिखिए blank. Opposite party Mrs. Patnaik AGA, Suman Patnaik AGA. Petitioner is appearing in person. To memo. Petitioner has appeared in person in the matter and is not present. To grant further opportunity, the matter is adjourned. Yes.
Item 8.
Mr. Abhilas Mishra for the petitioner. Opposite party blank लिखिए. The petitioner submits that by efflux of time the matter has been rendered infructuous. He files memo of date to withdraw the petition. Accordingly, the petition stands disposed of as withdrawn.
Item 9.
Petitioner none. Mr. Sharma for the state, AGA for the state. Non-appeals for the petitioner when the matter is called. Let the defects as pointed by the stamp report be removed by the next listing. Yes.
Item 10.
Item 9.
Sorry, 9.
Item 9. Paper 1 will get done.
Upon the matter, sir?
On behalf of Mr. SP Das.
नहीं आपको नाटा कहबे ना
AK Sri Chandan Maina.
AK Srichandan. 9 AK Srichandan on behalf of SP Das.
And
Remove the defects within a week.
I
Change सेटिंग कर देबे.
Interim order is there, Miller, but
Interim order to continue to the next listing. ଆପଣ sure तो नहीं ना अपन बाकी कागज पत्र भी नहीं क्रिमिनल डिवीजन 6 SP सारदा प्रसाद दास हो पे
आगे
चल ठीक है ला 10
Item 10,
petitioner none opposite party blank requisites for issuance of notice by any by registered post of this post has not yet been filed. The requisite shall be filed within 2 weeks peremptorily. Again? Spelling which लिखो से बेंच को आसु it is also observed that if the petitioner doesn't file the requisites, if the steps are not taken for filing of the requisites, the matter shall be proceeded with by this court for disposal, public dismissal. Yes,
item 11,
Mr. Rupam Misra on behalf of Tanmay Misra for the petitioner, opposite party blank. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation due to non-availability of the arguing counsel. Accordingly, the matter stands adjourned.
item 12,
Interim order tag continue जदि करिवे देखि करिवे. इथे interim order to continue.
Miller, today I'm filing the wakalatnama. I pay for 4 weeks.
Item 12.
At-
Wakalatnama on behalf of the petitioner
on behalf-
since bereavement of the learned counsel.
So the contacting counsel
So,
passed away. So I
again?
pray- the
he
country
passed away.
passed away. So I pray for 4 weeks time to locate the file.
In fact, other counsel who were appearing, they will not be appearing any further.
The names which I have mentioned in the wakalatnama,
Acha,
Yeah, the-
so the earlier counsel shall be deleted.
delete.
Your name, madam?
Ranju Mishra.
Miss Ranju Misra, Mrs. Ranju Misra on behalf of the petitioner, Mr. Sharma AGA for the state. You are for the
opposite party.
OP2.
Lots of.
OP2. Your name is D. Sahu. Mr. D. Sahu for OP2. Learned counsel for the, it is submitted by Learned counsel Mrs. Misra that after unfortunate demise of the earlier counsel who was appearing along with his associates, no, sorry, not associates, who was appearing, she has been
He
engaged by the petitioner. ଆପଣ ଆଜି ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ ଓକିଲତନାମା ନା ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି?
I just know.
He submits that she shall be କୋର୍ଟରେ କରନ୍ତୁନି ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି କଲେ ଏଠି କିଛି ସ୍କାନିଂ ହେବାକୁ ପଡିବ ତ ସୋ
ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଡେଟ୍ରେ ବି କହିଥିଲେ ଆପିୟର କରିବେ ବୋଲି କହିଥିଲେ ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଡେଟ୍ରେ ଆପିୟର କରିବେ ବୋଲି କହିଥିଲେ
ଠିକ ଅଛି
registration box.
ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ତ she submits that she shall file ଓକିଲତନାମା local afresh today. The same shall be taken on record. Name of Mrs. Misra and associates shall be indicated in the cause list as well as the case brief from the next listing.
What's it sorted?
Name of the learned counsel, earlier counsel, shall be deleted. Appearing for the petitioner, name of the learned counsel who were appearing for the petitioner shall be deleted. ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ଓକିଲତନାମାର କପିଟେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଷ୍ଟେଟ କୁ प्रॉब्लम कौन होगा कि से तांकर रिकॉर्ड रे से जो थिबो कॉपी सर्व करे से सब भूल भाल है सो काइंडली जस्ट ओटे नले कागज लिखि दे थांतु खाली मेन फोन नंबर दे देले हिजो सो यू विल टैग इट टू दैट फाइल शॉर्ट डेट बिकॉज़ मु कोथरे डेट दो सो अदरवाइज रेगुलर बेंच एकले डेट दे थांती बट सो यू मूव the counsel for the opposite party number 2 submits that he shall move for listing of the matter
before vacation.
liberty granted upon jebe move kore move this is not my assignment this is a break bench yes
item 13
Mr. Rajesh Kumar Mahapatra for the petitioner Mr. Sharma Mr. Patti Mr. A.K. Patti
Mr. Patti,
yes
add
Mr. A.K. Patti AC for the state OP number 1 Mr. Patti that day that records
city not available.
Mr. Pratap who is there he received that
I received.
he's aware of that only request is that there may be some pencil marks so if you can
Yes,
because I forgot to tell you that it can be removed with eraser.
I had told
Pencil.
you. I had told that.
Okay. Appearance with you. Mr. J. Pradhan for OP number 2. This is item 13. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the appearing parties that the matter may be adjourned. You likely J. Pradhan OP 2 to 7. Due to the personal difficulty of the learned senior counsel appearing for the OPs 2 to 7. Prayer is allowed, the matter stands adjourned. Again, interim order to continue, interim order देखिए, continue कर देगा जो थी वो, till the next date. Yes.
14
Mr. P.K. Das for the petitioner, Mr. B. Das Mahapatra for the opposite party. Learned counsel for the appearing parties pray for accommodation. Accordingly, the matter is adjourned. Interim order to continue.
15
Mr. S.K. Dheer on behalf of P.K. Misra for the petitioner. Mr. Akshay Kumar Patti for additional standing counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation. Accordingly, the matter is adjourned. Yes.
item 16
16. Mr. Pitambar Jana on behalf of Bhavani Shankar Das for the petitioner. Mr. You are there, Mr. Patra?
Yes.
Mr. S.S. Patra, ASC for the OP for the opposite party state. The learned counsel for the adjournment is sought for by the learned counsel on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner due to personal difficulty. Accordingly, the matter stands adjourned. आगे कर दियो ठीक है
17
Mr. S.K. Behra for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Patra, ASC for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation. Accordingly, the matter stands adjourned. Second matter the same. 16 ରେ ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି 16 Mr. Pitambar Jena the opposite party Mr. ये କରିଦେବେ ଅକ୍ଷୟ ପତି ଏକେ ପତି ଆଜ୍ଞା 17 ରୁ ବୋଧେ Mr. ପାତ୍ର ଅଛନ୍ତି 17 ରୁ Mr. ପାତ୍ର 17 ରେ ଦିଟା ଆଇଟମ ସେମ୍ ଅର୍ଡର
item 18
Mr. Amulya Nayak for the petitioner opposite party blank same order 17 19
item 19
Mr. Pradeep Kumar Sahoo for the petitioner, Mr. Prabhat Kumar Mahanti for the opposite party. Learned counsel for the opposite party submits that he is filing objection on behalf of the opposite party to the petition. The same shall be taken on record, scanned copy be updated.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the opposite party.
I have noted.
Yes, my lord.
You are for another opposite party?
No, my lord, Tushar Ranjan Sahu.
ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କୋଉ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଜି କଣ ହେଇଛି 18-19 ଖାଲି କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ ହଉଛି
19
ଅଠରଟାରେ ତୁଷାର ରଞ୍ଜନ ସାହୁ।
ନାଇଁ ସେ ସକାଳେ ବି କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ ହେଲା ଆଜି ବି କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ ଚାଲିଛି ଏ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମୁଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଥରେ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ ମୁଁ ମାରି ସାରିଲିଣି ଆଉ ତାକୁ ମତେ ଆଉ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ କରନ୍ତୁନି
Obliged.
କଣ ଲେଖିଲେ ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର ଭୁଲିଗଲି
Filing objection on behalf of the petition stop. The same shall be taken on record.
Scan copy be updated. Copy of the objection has been served on the learned counsel for the petitioner in court today, who seeks accommodation to obtain instructions in response. The matter stands adjourned.
item 20,
20, Mr. Kamila?
I am pro opposite party, my lord. There was just direction to pay 1 lakh, my lord. Not
Yes.
Till now.
Don't hand it. Petitioner none, Mr. J. Kamila for the opposite party. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the opposite party that earlier order passed by this court. The payment of maintenance no,
Yes.
is yet to be complied with by the petitioner. Who order ta refer କରୁଛନ୍ତି
11-12-23 ରେ order ଟା ହେଇଥିଲା.
11-12-23 para to grant further opportunity to the petitioner. The matter is adjourned. The learned counsel for the opposite party shall have the liberty to mention the matter for listing. Regular nature mention କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ non appearance ରେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଦିଟା ତିନିଟା non appearance ନହେଲେ continuously ମୋ ପାଖରେ ମୁଁ ଇଏ କରେ
Specific ଗୋଟେ short date ଥାଉ.
it is not assigned. So I have to fix a date for the other bench. That should be avoided. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଲିବର୍ଟି ଦିଆହେଲା ମୁଭ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ସେଟା କହିବେ.
item 21,
Petitioner, your name, sir?
Amit Vikram Acharya, Lord, sir.
Amit
Vikram Acharya.
Mr. A.B. Acharya for the petitioner. Mr. S.S. Patra.
Manoj Kumar Mahanti.
Mr. Manoj Kumar Mahanti, AG. AC for the opposite party. Private file chhad diyantu. What do you want, sir?
Sir, I may seek adjournment.
So it is adjournment is sought for on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner as prayed for. According to the matter stands adjourned. Yes.
Your Lordship, interim orders may continue.
Interim order to continue. देखिए देवे.
Obliged.
Yes. Yes, please.
item 22,
Item 22 and 23, my lord. We can do it.
Your name, sir?
Ranjan Naik, RR.
So R. Naik for the petitioner, Mr. Manoj Kumar Mahanti.
Yes.
AC for the state. Adjournment is sought for by the learned counsel for the petitioner. The matter stands adjourned. 23 same order, same appearance. 24 Mr. Mahanti. These are already adjourned.
Obliged.
Mr. Sambit Mahanti for the petitioner. AP Misra for the opposite party. 24 Takuchi. Adjournment is sought for due to personal difficulty of the opposite party. Learned counsel for the opposite party. The matter stands adjourned.
Interim order is there.
Interim order to continue.
item 25,
Mr. Tushar Kumar Misra for the petitioner. Mr. Rajesh Kumar Mahapatra for the opposite party. They stated at the bar that in the connected CRLRED 481 of 2023, the matter was referred to mediation and is pending for mediation before the learned mediator. and the matter may be adjourned. The learned counsel shall have the liberty to mention the matter for listing along with CRL REB 481 of 2023. Interim order to continue till the next date. Yes. So, Patnaik, 26. Aji password করুন
Next.
তাহলে Mr. S.K. Patnaik for the petitioner, Mr.
Devasis Vishwan.
Devasis Bishwal. Sorry. Yes, additional standing counsel. Bishwal ঠিক করলি তো? Bishwal. Mr. Devasis Bishwal, additional standing counsel for the state. Adjournment is sought for by the learned counsel for the appearing parties. The matter stands adjourned. ଆପଣ ଏଟା ରେଗୁଲାର ବେଞ୍ଚରେ ମେନସନ କରିକି ଉଠାନ୍ତୁ ତୁ ଚାହିଁବେ ମୁଁ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ନଟ୍ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ପର୍ପସଫୁଲି ଡେଟ୍ ଦଉନି ମୁଁ ଥରେ ଡେଟ୍ ଦେଲା ଆଉ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ହେଇପାରିବନି କାରଣ ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ଫେର ଲିଷ୍ଟ କରିବେ
item 27.
ଗୋଟେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ୟେସ୍ ମିଷ୍ଟର এবি
Amit Vikram Acharya.
ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ସରି
Amit Vikram Acharya.
Mr. A.B. Acharya for the petitioner, Mr. Bishwal, AC for the state, learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation. As prayed for, the matter is adjourned.
Interim orders.
IUC, interim order to continue.
Obliged.
देखिए interim order जो ठीक हो देखिए देंगे. Continue करे देंगे. Yes, Raiguru.
Item 21, I am appearing for the information.
21 अपना appearance.
Yes.
Yes.
Copy matter. They have not served the copy.
Mr. Acharya is requesting for a copy. 21 ने खाली add करो तो क्या order है इतना? तो लिखिए appearance लिखिए. You are appearing Mr. Raiguru for?
Information matter.
OP. 21 Mr. Raiguru, Bhavani Shankar Raiguru for OP informant. Appearance है गला. कोटा line add होगा. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the OP informant that he may be provided with a copy of the petition.
I'll solve a copy.
The petitioner shall serve a copy. Learned counsel for the petitioner shall serve copy of the petition. Date move kariparni because I have a difficulty because it's in an assigned bench. Yes, sir.
Item 20.
non-person.
20 Mr. J.K. Mahapatra और petitioner. 20 अब J. कमला तो थिले आज जो नहीं
Item 16 रे मो OP number 2 पे.
अच्छा item 20 लेके J.K. Mahapatra petitioner.
So I was
16.
I am informed that the petitioner has taken adjournment.
Mr. H.N. Mahapatra OP
OP 2.
16 H.N. Mahapatra OP2. Appearance लिखिए.
It's an urgent matter for the reason. Even a murder case, the trial is stalled due to actually.
Murder case style stall होएगा.
What a murder case?
ଆପଣ ଜାଣନ୍ତି ଆମେ କଣ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାବେଳେ କରୁଛୁ ସେଟା କେହି କୋଉଠି ମର୍ଡର କେସ୍ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ରେ କୋଉଠି ଷ୍ଟଲ ହବନି
ଏଟା ଷ୍ଟଲ୍ ହେଇଛି
ସେ ଯୁଗ ଗଲାଣି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ଯୁଗ
ଷ୍ଟେ ହେଇଛି ଏଟା ଷ୍ଟେ ହେଇଛି
ସେ ଯୁଗ କଣ ଅନ୍ୟ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଷ୍ଟେ ହେଇଥିବ ଷ୍ଟେ ହବନି କାହିଁକି
ମୁଁ ମନା କରୁନି
ମାନେ ଆମେ ଏକ୍ସେପସନ ନେଇପାରିବା କାହିଁ ଷ୍ଟେ ହେଲା ବୋଲି
ସେ କଥା ମୁଁ କହୁନି
କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି that is why I'm discussing.
ପଏଣ୍ଟ ହଉଛି it has to be decided.
କିନ୍ତୁ unnecessary ନାହିଁ ଆଉ even you will surprise during COVID the stay orders were vacated and matters were proceeded.
No, it is not proceeded.
No, I am not saying about this thing obviously. ଆପଣ ତ କହୁଛନ୍ତି I don't disagree.
My endeavor is my lord to
mention କରନ୍ତୁ. Since it is not a regular bench, I am not listing the जोड़ा मोर assignment में मुझे किंतु कहवी आपको date. Once I direct for listing in a particular date, it cannot be listed. That's the problem.
I am informed that it is posted to next week. Therefore, I mentioned before Lordship that there no.
You are for the informant in the murder case.
Then I am informed by the Law and Counsel for the petitioner. He mentioned.
What is your interest in a criminal trial? That I am asking you.
I am the informant.
Sir. ठीक है